I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I've been eating. I really wanted to come on here and show you guys how I swap out certain things to lose weight. I know a lot of people go off of calories and protein intake and water intake and all of that kind of stuff. But if you guys haven't watched any of my other weight loss videos, I don't really go off calories or like protein or anything like that. I have changed so much in my diet before I really started working out. You guys know, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you guys would know that I really go to the gym. The gym is literally like a part of my routine. It's not something that I can overlook during the week. I have to move my body, especially with me working from home. So I want to show you guys some things that I swapped out. I do have to shop at multiple stores. Some of this stuff, depending on how you look at it, can be expensive. I do live in a household of 2, just me and my daughter. Also, she likes the stuff that I buy, and I just want to put that in there because I know some people, when you try to change the way you eat, your kids sometimes may not like it. So you guys may be able to look at my daughter being a teenager, and we've been eating like this for the past 2 years. And this year, to me, like it just gets better and better every year with me shopping, you guys. Now, when I say I look at the ingredients, I do, but I still eat cheese. I still eat, what do I eat still? Chips. I still eat chocolate sometimes, but I make a lot of my stuff myself. Since I've been in Texas, I haven't really been doing that until Thanksgiving, because I was cooking Thanksgiving for myself. So I was making like stuff with different ingredients that I normally wouldn't eat because my mama would do most of the cooking. So I had to change out some things for me. So yeah, let me show you guys the stuff that I swapped out. Again, I'm showing you guys my groceries, but again, it's not perfect. But I'm just showing you guys stuff that I have swapped that has made my life a world of a difference. And my daughter has eczema. Since I have changed her diet, she has not had an eczema flare up at all. She used to get it really bad under her arms, her neck, and her arm here in the front. She used to get it really, really bad. And ever since I changed our diet, she has not had a breakout. Also, we don't get sick. We never really got sick like that, but we would catch like a cold every season. But since I have changed the way we eat, every blue moon, depending on, because she goes to school, she may get a little sniffle. You know, she may get some allergies that's messing with her. If she eats something at school, she may get a breakout. If I buy something at home that we just got a taste for, because I still do that, we both may break out, but majority of the time, we're not breaking out. We're not getting sick. None of that is happening. So let me show you guys the food. Next, these are alkaline waters that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is some reduced milk. I normally get this, or these waters is not the best. I know. Not the best. But for me, it is better than soda or juice. So I got these. There's 5 for $5 from H-E-B. And then I had the watermelon lime one. The flavors they have is so good. I also like the ones from Aldi's, but these flavors are with yellow, red, and orange. So I like to cut them up and just put them in like a container. This is organic ground beef. It has to be uncured, the beef. I normally get ground turkey, but my research has shown that even just any old ground turkey is not the best, and I can still get beef as long as it's uncured. So this is what this is from Sam's Club. I got my chicken wings from Sam's Club. I got my uncured turkey bacon. This lasts me a while. I got these packs of cornbread mix, because y'all, not every time I want to cook from scratch, but I do like to cook from scratch. I got some hash browns, sour cream, and then I have some dates to make like little dessert dishes with. I got some organic chocolate that I'm gonna melt, and then some sliced almonds to make like they call it like maybe a turtle or kind of like a sneaker with these. So I'm gonna make that. And then I got my what is this, chicken for Sunday dinner. I'm gonna make the roasted chicken, gonna reheat it, the roasted chicken, cabbage, the apple crisp for dessert, and macaroni and cheese. That's why I got all those cheeses. So this is the rest of the stuff I got. The stuff from Sam's Club lasts me a long time. So yeah, y'all don't want to shop at Sam's Club, that is fine. But me as a single mom, I literally gotta do what I gotta do. I don't get no, this is out of pocket, okay? Which is fine. You know, I'm gonna take care of me and my daughter. So y'all gotta shop and do what's best for you, especially if you're a single mom. So that is it for this video. I hope. So this stuff on the counter is from Aldi's. So my mom tried, no, these are from actually Sam's Club. These are really good. And when I asked my mom what was in them, it was all like pretty good things. The only thing I don't like is this word right here. I try to stay away from stuff that says natural flavors majority of the time, but y'all, it is really hard to find stuff that I like, that I can snack on, that is clean. So these to me was really clean other than the natural flavors. So I got this from Sam's Club, and they are really good. So I got some strawberries. Oh, the rest of this stuff is from Aldi's. I got strawberries, berries, tomatoes. This yogurt was the best one I could find. This yogurt was the best one I could find. I do like this for like yogurt bowls with granola and berries and strawberries. I got some grapes. I got some oats to make apple crisp. So these are the tortilla chips that I like. It's another brand as well, but it's just organic yellow corn, organic sunflower oil, and sea salt. So I got these. I got some potatoes. I got apples to eat and to make my apple crisp with. A head of lettuce. Sourdough bread with just 3 ingredients: flour, water, and salt. Kettle chips is not the best, but it's cheap, and I shop on a budget, okay? So I got these 3. I got some bacon bits, which I really could have made myself, but this don't have too much ingredients. So I got this for my salad. I got a cucumber for my salad as well. I got cheeses. I got these instead of the already shredded because the shredded cheese has so much more ingredients than this. I got an organic heart of romaine lettuce for my salad. These fruit snacks is really good. I told y'all I got a sweet tooth and it's not any ingredients in here, not too much going on. It does have cane sugar, but it is organic. So I like these. It don't taste like regular fruit snacks for sure, but they are good. And then this is one of my favorite cereal because it has no artificial flavors. And I really like this. It has vitamin D, vitamin C in here. So I really like this. And then I add extra granola too. That is it for this video. I also use flour, but if I... This is the end of this video. I don't know what happened at this clip. It just stopped right here. But this is what some things that I have switched out in how I shop for food for me and my daughter. This is just a house of two, and I prep food. I cook a lot though. I don't have to prep for a whole week. And then I'll show you guys probably after Valentine's Day what I eat in a day. Realistically, how I cook my meals and all of that. I'll be recording that. If you guys have any other questions, leave them down below. If you guys have like snacks, recipes, things like that, you guys can leave them down below as well, and then I do use them. Hello. We all need some help around here, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.